Choosing the right window style isn't just about light and airflow, it also impacts how interior spaces are arranged and used. Windows influence where furniture can go, how rooms flow, and how comfortable spaces feel day to day. For homeowners in Coppell, casement windows offer unique advantages that support flexible interior layouts and thoughtful furniture placement throughout the home. Why window style matters for interior design. Every window style interacts differently with interior space. Some windows slide up or inward, requiring clearance that can limit furniture placement. Casement windows open outward, which preserves interior wall and floor space. This design feature plays an important role in how Coppell homeowners can arrange furniture comfortably and efficiently. Preserving usable wall space. Because casement windows don't slide upward or swing inward, the interior wall beneath the window remains fully usable. In Coppell homes, this means furniture such as sofas, desks, or storage units can be placed closer to the window without interfering with operation. Homeowners gain more flexibility when designing room layouts. Supporting comfortable seating near windows often serve as focal points in living rooms and bedrooms. However, poor window design can make seating near them uncomfortable. Casement windows provide a tight seal when closed, helping maintain stable temperatures near the glass. Coppell homeowners can place seating areas near windows without worrying about drafts or temperature discomfort. Improving flow in smaller rooms require thoughtful layout planning. Windows that limit furniture placement can make these spaces feel cramped. Casement windows help Coppell homeowners maximize floor space. Since the window opens outward, interior layouts remain uninterrupted, allowing for smoother traffic flow and better room functionality. Enhancing layout flexibility in open living areas. In open-concept homes, furniture placement often defines zones for living, dining, or workspaces. Window placement plays a big role in shaping these zones. Casement windows support clean, flexible layouts. Coppell homeowners can design open spaces without worrying about clearance for window operation, making it easier to create cohesive room arrangements. Creating balanced, functional bedrooms benefit from efficient furniture placement, especially when space is limited. Windows that interfere with bed placement or storage options can be frustrating. Casement windows help Coppell homeowners design bedrooms that feel balanced and comfortable. Beds, nightstands, and dressers can be positioned near windows without affecting functionality. Allowing creative use of window walls. Window walls often go underutilized because of operational constraints. Casement windows open outward, freeing up interior space along these walls. In Coppell homes, this allows homeowners to use window walls creatively, for shelving, decor, or seating, without sacrificing ventilation or light. Supporting practical home office layouts. Home offices require efficient use of space and good natural light. Window placement directly affects desk positioning and screen glare. Casement windows allow Coppell homeowners to place desks near windows while controlling airflow and light. This supports productive, comfortable workspaces without layout compromises. Maintaining clean, uncluttered interiors. Interior design often favors clean lines and uncluttered spaces. Window styles that intrude into the room can disrupt this look. Casement windows maintain a low interior profile, helping Coppell homes feel tidy and well organized. Furniture arrangements remain intentional rather than dictated by window operation. A smart window choice for interior flexibility. Windows influence how homes are lived in every day. Casement windows offer practical benefits that go beyond appearance. For homeowners in Coppell, casement windows positively affect interior layout and furniture placement by preserving wall space, supporting flexible designs, and improving comfort near windows. The result is a home that feels easier to arrange, more functional, and more enjoyable to live in, room by room.